Digital Communities Wales is creating a digital volunteer network to support digital inclusion across the country. These volunteers can come from any walk of life and they will receive training from Digital Communities Wales, and then they will also be placed either with a partner or in a local community setting to support the digital inclusion of people across the country. This will enable us to create a nation of digital volunteers to support all of our digital inclusion efforts.
Volunteers are really the bread and butter of our organisation, and we wouldn't be able to survive without volunteers. The volunteers that we have are trained and they're passionate. It's really nice that they enjoy it as well.
I get a lot of satisfaction out of being with people, and I enjoy making the session fun and informative wherever possible.
There's no pressure on you to do anything or complete anything in any set time, and by watching other people, watching Chris and Charles, you get to learn more and more. I've always wanted to print from my iPad. I've now managed to be able to print using Wi-Fi to mount the printer at home.
As far as volunteering is concerned, absolutely encourage people to give a bit of their time. 2.5 hours a week is what you can commit and get a great deal of satisfaction out of it.
It's very important, including our staff, in initiatives such as Digital Fridays. It's not just about using computers, it's about using computers for a purpose. I think that's one thing that we're very interested in knowing as is actually working within the local community. From what we've heard and from the sessions, people do find great value in it.
It seemed like a really interesting way of giving back to the community, helping them in a skill that's what we consider basic but is so new and so exciting for them.
The people that take the lesson are interesting and they can help you with whatever you want to learn.
It was a great project for students to gain loads of experience from, but also they've got the experience, they can pass that on to people who may not be aware of how to use different devices, different tablets or on the computer, so get them out there as much as possible.
I enjoy meeting new people. There can be some quite interesting types of people who come through here, and it's just very enjoyable to be able to say, I've helped so many people today. It's a very rewarding experience.